Hello crafters, this is Suzanne with a back in stock alert, and it's a good one. All right, I'm going to just get right into it. Guess what is back in stock? And I have it stored, yes, in a scrapbook.com storage envelope. You know I love these things. PinkFresh Studio, Perfect Sentiments. All 3 pieces in stock at scrapbook.com right now. If you've been waiting for this released from last year, this set. And every time it comes back in stock, it sells out in 2 seconds. Why? Because, just like the name says, Perfect Sentiments. It's sentiments for a lot of cards. Let me do the average measurement for you. Big one, call it 2 1/8 for the happy birthday by 1 1/4. So you're looking in that size range, not too big, not too small, okay? And you get great sentiments, sending hugs, thank you, celebrate, just a note, happy birthday, you're a great friend, congrats, hello. I mean, this one just covers a lot of cards and easy, ready to go. Here I do have some examples. This one is a stamp, heat embossed. This is hot foil, which is over here. And everything is one plate, one big stamp. You cut with a coordinating 1-piece die. Same thing with the hot foil plate, one big plate, and you cut it with the same one big die. I think this is why it is still such a runaway hit. Here is You're a Great Friend. Let me show it to you in different colorways. This is just different color foil. Here it is, heat embossed. Here is Happy Birthday, done a couple ways. And as you can see, I'll just run a bunch. When I do run them, I do store them like this. 3x3, 4mm storage envelope. This is like a thick storage envelope. I like to store them like this. So I've made a bunch of these. This is like from probably last year when I got this. I just cut a whole ton. And when I do need a quick sentiment, I go in, grab one, ready to go. If this is new to you and you're like, ooh, Suzanne, that is cute. It really is cute. This is the time to get it. Because once it sells out, it takes a long time to come back in stock. I have no idea why, but it does. Now, if you are on a tight budget, and this has been months to come back, if you wanted to get one thing, and you, like I said, if you're on a tight budget and you can't do all 3, I suggest only getting this, the die. I know. This is the one that's the hardest to find, because every time I have shown a card in the past and I would do links for you guys, it would be at 3 or 4 different websites. And a lot of times, these 2 would be in stock, either one or the other. This would not be in stock. So if you can't do all 3 now and you're like super interested, I would suggest getting just the die. Then with time, you can add hot foil plate if you have a glimmer machine or a foil press. If you don't, skip that. Or just the stamp. And the price point on the stamp isn't bad. But the die is the main ticket. This is the one that you want to get. If you are going to get anything from the set, get this and just put it in your stash and wait to get this at another time. This one is easier to find than that. Okay? And like I said, the stamp works very well. It's one big stamp, so you don't have little sentiments to stamp all over the place. It's just one big plate. Put it in your stamp positioner like a Misty, and there you are. And then you put the die on top like so, and you're ready to go. Okay? Now, if you do look at it, whichever website you go to, there is more than one set. The most popular is Perfect Sentiments. After that, not as popular, more easy to find, is their next set, Celebrate You. So this one is an easier set to find, usually in stock. So you have So Happy for You, So Proud of You, You Are Loved, You Did It, Thinking of You. So it's a little bit different. Folks normally gravitate to the Perfect Sentiments, okay? To this one. And lastly, because we are in Christmas in July, there is another set. And I did a giveaway, I think it was the beginning of the year for this one. Perfect Sentiments Holiday. So there is this version too, all right? I will put links below for all 3 sets, but the main one that's in stock, if you have been waiting, it is back. Perfect Sentiments, okay? She's the hot ticket. Like I said, get the die, and then everything else can come afterwards. With any of these sets, this is the most important one to get. This is the one that when it sells out, it takes forever to come back in stock. These you can generally find. This you'll find easier probably than that one. Alrighty, crafters, just wanted to let you know that Perfect Sentiments, she is back and in business. All 3 pieces at scrapbook.com. Alrighty, crafters, until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. This is a good one. Happy shopping. Bye.